India has just been handed a fighter jet deal that could completely redefine its air power for decades to come. A proposal so bold, so unprecedented, even the Americans have not gone this far. Welcome to Global Military Database, your trusted hub for cutting-edge defense updates, deep dive analysis, and global military breakthroughs. And today, we are unpacking a massive revelation: Russia's stunning offer to India for the Sukhoi Su-57E, a fifth-generation stealth fighter jet, complete with local production rights, source code access, and full-blown technology transfer. Yes, you heard that right. This is not just a fighter deal, it is a geopolitical masterstroke, a strategic invitation, and perhaps a make-or-break moment for India's aerospace future. So what exactly is Russia offering? Why now? And what does it mean for India, the US, and the broader Indo-Pacific power equation? Let us break it all down. On June 4, 2025, Russia made an unprecedented offer to India. One that would make New Delhi not just a buyer, but a partner in one of the most advanced stealth fighter programs in the world, the Sukhoi Su-57E. This includes licensed production on Indian soil, full access to critical technologies, source code for mission software and radar systems, customization rights for Indian Air Force doctrines, and a joint path forward for future sixth-generation systems. This is more than just a sale, it is an open door to sovereign aerospace dominance. So, why this sudden generosity from Moscow? There are three major reasons. First, Russia is isolated in the global arms market. Western sanctions have cut it from much of Europe and NATO-aligned countries. India is now its most strategic partner. Second, the Sukhoi Su-57 program needs a boost financially and in terms of international credibility. A partnership with India could stimulate it. Third, Russia wants to counter the US-India defense alignment, especially in the wake of growing Indo-Pacific cooperation under Quad and ICET. In short, India is Moscow's best and perhaps last hope for exporting the Sukhoi Su-57 platform at scale. For New Delhi, this could be a dream come true. No more over-dependence on foreign OEMs, total control over software and electronics, massive boost to Atmanirbhar Bharat in defense, access to stealth technologies, SR radar tech, thrust vectoring engines, and super cruise capability. Potential to co-develop Gen 6 fighters leveraging Sukhoi 57 as the base. Think about it. This could leapfrog India from a licensed production nation to a global aerospace contender. But there is a catch. India must tread carefully. Russia's past track record on timely deliveries and tech transfer is complicated. There are concerns over the real stealth performance of the Sukhoi Su-57. India's own AMCA program is in advanced development. Will this derail it or fast-track it? And perhaps the most important risk, US backlash. A Sukhoi Su-57 partnership could strain India's access to Western tech, especially F414 engines, ISR platforms, and sensitive electronics. This is a classic balancing act between East and West. If India accepts this offer, it changes the game, not just militarily, but geopolitically. It would signal to the world that India will not be tied to any single camp. A Su-57E in IAF colors would send shockwaves across Beijing, Washington, and Paris. It could even force the US to open more on F-35 tech or speed up co-development on 6th-gen fighters. And for Russia, it locks in India as a long-term partner, just as Western doors keep slamming shut. So, should India go all in on the Su-57E, or should it play the long game with AMCA, GE engines and Western tires? One thing is for sure, this is a rare opportunity that will not knock twice. What do you think? Should India take the deal or walk away? If you found this breakdown insightful, do smash the like button, subscribe to Global Military Database and hit the bell icon so you never miss critical defense updates. And drop your thoughts in the comment section. Signing off for now.